bucket and put it in there. It'll get water right away, okay?
It's in a hot day.
It is a hot day.
Hi, China dog.
These are called
Bell?
bleeding hearts.
Bleeding hearts.
It's my favorite vine, covering the swing. It's such a beautiful vine with a beautiful blossom, isn't it? Okay, y'all want some bleeding heart flowers for your arrangement? Okay. You want to show off your pretty painted nails? Ooh. Ava, you want to show? Very nice. What do we do now?
Makeup.
Oh, makeup.
Because we can't do gymnastics with our wet nails.
That's right.
So it's makeup time. And I already got my headband.
Got your headband?
Look, we did our hairstyle.
They look so pretty.
So Miss Christina has a big fluffy bun that's curly. She has a ponytail in the back with a little clip, and I have a side ponytail like Dojo Siwa and a headband.
I saw it. You showed everybody your clip so well. Y'all are so good at modeling.
Now it's makeup. Makeup?
I think I have some makeup right here.
Makeup!
Okay.
We stand.
Okay. Let's see if there's some blush on here. Blush, blush. Ooh, other side. Okay, Andy. Are you gonna want any makeup?
Yeah.
Put on lip gloss.
Is that the same color you have?
It's almost the same color I have. I have a pink. This is more of a peach. Oh, it's so pretty on you.
Can I smell it? It smells like normal Play-Doh.
It smells like normal Play-Doh.
Mm-hmm.
Do you want some?
Up close it looks like this. Okay, I have it. Oh. How about eyeshadow?
Eyeshadow. Okay, some white.
Y'all should have come if you wanted to have fun.
You should have come if you wanted to have fun.
Fun?
I like this eyeshadow. It's got a star. Let's see here.
Can I see?
You got it. Okay.
Be careful. Miss Christina, are our nails probably dry?
Not quite. Close your eyes. Okay. Oh, so pretty. Oh, so pretty.
I don't see anything.
Well, that's the beauty of using natural colors, light colors at your age. It just gives just enough shimmer, and it's not bold like we're going to go on stage and do a production show.
Like when my eyes had like sequins or something on my eyes.
Yeah.
You should go ahead and watch.
See how pretty and subtle it is?
Let me see. Close your eyes. You have a lot of glitter dried.
It's shimmering. It's so pretty. You just want to shimmer.
I don't see any blush.
Pretty eyeshadow. And a
But
nice
when we do
shimmery lip gloss.
gymnastics, it's gonna wipe all off. Are we talking to kids on YouTube?
We We are talking to kids on YouTube. Say hey, kids. Say hey, kids.
Hey, kids.
Close your eyes.
Wait, I have a blue, red, pinky, white, another blue and a red, and I'm the same color.
We're going to go tumble now. We're going to do back bend kickovers. You ready?
Then
Let's
I
go.
have this thing.
Oh, your nails so pretty. Pretty nails.
Are they dry?
Pretty nails. Pretty, pretty. They are dry. Let me see.
I'm dry.
Right, so hands up and down and roll around. Yay! And then you'll stand over there.
Oh my god!
And reach up when you finish. Good job. Now let's do one the other way. Ready?
Oh my god!
And up when you finish. Ta-da! Very good. Andy, you want to try it? No. You want to do a cartwheel? Do your cartwheel.
Come on, Andy. Backwards.
Oh, yay. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Woo! A crab walk?
A crab walk.
Beep, 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 beep. Betty loves a crab walk. Charlie likes a crab walk. What do we want in our crescent roll surprise? Oh, look who's here.
Hey, girls.
Andy, this is Mr. Terry, my husband. And he knows your daddy and your mommy.
So what are we making?
Crescent roll surprise.
Crescent roll surprise.
So it's gonna have white chocolate chips, cheese, and pepperoni?
We're doing it on a different one.
I gotcha.
Andy and I, we like green olives. I'm gonna put some olives in yours.
That looks good.
Isn't that gonna be good?
Will you make Mr. Terry one for later that has pepperoni, cheese, and olives in it too?
Yes.
Can I make one?
Yes.
Okay, we'll let this one be his.
So y'all just make it the best you can.
Okay. Mr. Terry likes green olives too.
Do chicken.
Come give me a hug.
Okay. Bye, everybody.
Bye, Mr. Terry. Have fun. So you keep rolling from the big end and you roll it down. Kind of spread it out like this.
Oh my goodness. This is huge. How about we put a pepperoni?
Okay, pepperoni on top, so we'll know that's Ava's, right? Good job.
How do I?
How about we we'll make, look, olives and a pepperoni nose. Cute, like, oh, and a little cheese for
Wait,
Mel.
whose is that?
This is Mr. Terry's.
Oh,
Yes.
he's gonna be like,
He's gonna love that. Okay, here we go. See how fun? And we put different ingredients on the top to identify, so we can identify our crescent roll surprise, right? We're going to set the table. Let's come in the
the
dining room.
dining room, the dining room.
You can put
This
one
is
here
Christmas table.
and put one here. And then you can put one over here. I like to fold the napkins in a
It's
triangle.
elegant.
It is elegant. We like doing
We
that.
can see how Miss Christina does it.
There, just
Miss
like
Christina
that.
should-
To do a triangle fold, you just get your square napkin. You got it? You take one corner over to the other corner. Hold it down so that you can press the edges. And then you have your elegant napkin. Okay, so check this out. I've got to find a new place to hang my picture.
Idea.
These guys are Siegfried and Roy. And you know what? I'm going to see you the first weekend of August. Yay, our Siegfried and Roy reunion in Las Vegas.
Las Vegas.
I
That's
can't
what
wait.
my papa calls me. Ava, Las Vegas.
Ava, Las Vegas. Is that what he does?
Yeah.
That's cute. Ava, Las Vegas.
Yes, down on richest planes. I've been on the big planes, small planes. I think I've been on a jet before.
Wow.
I've been on a rocket. You went to the moon before?
Have you been on a rocket?
You went to the moon.
Wow. What is it like on the moon? Do you remember?
You probably had to wear a spacesuit. I do not want to wear a spacesuit because it might be really hot and uncomfortable.
Guess what?
What?
If you take off, if you're in
if you
outer
take
space and if you have a helmet on
and you take it off, you will probably die.
no, you will freeze. Your head will be freezing.
No, that's only on a certain kind of planet, but I forgot the name.
What's your favorite planet? Be sure to keep your napkin in your lap, okay?
Earth, because that's
Thank you.
where everything happens. Also Mars.
Also Mars.
I heard there's like red clouds and there's big hills and these little holes in the red smoke blasts out of them.
Yes. Who told you that? You said you heard there have red clouds.
In the magic bus.
In the magic bus? You heard about Saturn? Mars having red clouds? Wow. What's the magic bus?
I knew.
Oh, Miss Frizzle's pretty smart. She's educational, teaching you
She
these
has
things.
red hair. She's really crazy. She has like every day. She has like headbands, and all over are like different subjects that they do every single day.
You learn a lot from Miss Frizzle also.
I like it a long time.
Me too. I watch all the shows.
Do you watch your show that you're on YouTube?
I subscribed to the garden one, and if you subscribe once, can you subscribe again to another video?
If you subscribe once to one of our videos, then you don't have to subscribe again. All the videos you will automatically be a member of for Christina's Big Day channel.
You see my hand?
I do see your hand. Right?
See my hand?
I do see your hand right
Try
through
yours.
the table. Y'all see my hand?
I do.
Aw, thank you, Andy. So did you enjoy your crescent roll surprises?
Yes, ma'am.
They were amazing, weren't they?
Mm-hmm.
And you know how to make them. So now you can go home and make them with your family, right?
Can't remember this.
You can't? Well, let's talk about it. You get a little can of crescent rolls. We got the big, giant ones, the grande, because grande means big.
Grande.
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 Can you say grande?
Grande.
Grande. And if you want to be fancy, you roll your tongue. Grande.
Grande.
Can't do it.
Grande. You can keep practicing. You'll learn. Grande. You get a grande crescent roll can, and then you can choose whatever ingredients you want to put on your crescent roll. We did what? Cheese and pepperoni, olives, and then on a separate one we made a dessert one, and it has
And we had chocolate chip.
white chocolate chips
What's that?
and blueberries and strawberries for a dessert one. So we hope you'll make some at home and comment in our channel below of how you did. Did you love them? We loved ours, didn't we? Let's give everybody out there in the world a thumbs up on our crescent roll surprise.
Wait.
Can't wait to hear how yours turn out.
Wait.
With manners like this, she'll always be invited back. Yes, thank you. You got it all by yourself? They're doing great. Wow, thank
I can
you.
take your glass.
Oh, thank you. I'm being treated like a princess today, and I love it. What we're going to do, though, is we're going to learn not only just leave your dishes on the countertop or in the sink, we're going to teach you to rinse your dishes and put them all the way in the dishwasher. Your parents will love you for it. You ready?
Yes.
Oh.
Ma'am,
Okay. Well, all we have to do is rinse them, and then you're going to put them all the way in the dishwasher.
I know something. How about you give them to me and I'll put them in a dishwasher?
How about you give them to Andy, and Andy will give them to me, and I'll reach in the dishwasher.
Yeah.
That's teamwork. Okay, y'all are doing great. That is it. Wonderful job, ladies.